let's get this thing bust out this form real quick. I think that I'm gonna flatten it again all together now. All together now. Walnut is so fucking heavy. Take my money.
It's just one of those days. It's all about he says bullshit. I think you better quit. This is
Do I deserve what I got? Never enough.
Bandito.
We're gonna need some of this old dust here. Show y'all a recipe of mine. So y'all see how I got the line pretty perfect here. What I'm gonna do is make sure the same applies down here, because you can see here and down here on this side a little bit. So we're gonna fill that up. See any you won't be able to see the line at all really now after that, but I gotta go get my son. So when we come back, we're gonna resand it back to 80, and then we're gonna prep it for epoxy, get all these holes cleaned up for epoxy. Y'all follow, like, subscribe to check back, man, for that to get finished, along with everything else we doing, man. Y'all stay hustling, baby.